Hello everyone, welcome back to that cyber guy. So today we are going to show you how to identify fishy URLs and malicious files and learn how to use Virustotal to scan websites in exe file before running them. So protecting yourself against cyber threat is very important. Sometimes one of the easiest way an attacker can access your system is for you to commit an action, like to a phishing email where you click on the link that lead you to a malicious website. So today we are going to just deep dive into Virustotal. Now, are you ready to just protect your system? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. All right, open your favorite web browser and go to type virustotal.com. So Virustotal is a way that you can use. They have API application programming interface, and then they have that user interface that you can actually use to analyze suspicious file, domain name, IP address, etc. So it uses a bunch of device to just make sure that whatever you scan, whatever you're gonna going to is scan, and then you can see the interface. For example, if I were to open a new tab and say how to get rich, something kind of fishy, let's see how to get rich, and I can hit enter, and then uh okay, let's just type it mid of a URL, get rich now that XYZ. I can try to scan it to see if that website was to be suspicious. I can see, as you can see, this is suspicious. If there were malware into that website as well, it will let you know. So that's why it's very important. For example, if you had to receive an email that has something, you can actually, if you hover your mouse and you look at the bottom, you're gonna see the actual domain name, and you can actually go and just copy the link and then come back to Virustotal and scan it. And the other thing that you can do, sometimes you want to download a program, and then you go ahead and download the program, and you don't know, whether or not that program is malicious. You can actually use Virustotal to scan the that exe file. For example, I can just choose the file right here, and from there I can go to these all our videos. We can go to download, and then from there we can just actually click on this one here and open. So Virustotal gonna just calculate all the hash values and to make sure that this is safe. In my case, many antivirus protection, you see you have Webroot, Avast. Some of them they couldn't detect what inside that program before I want it. But we have the CrowdStrike, Falcon. They actually detect this. This is a grayware. So there's a 60%. A grayware is a kind of malware that is between like almost a gray area that it is kind of safe but not kind of safe. So in addition, what you can actually do with Virustotal, you can actually deep dive. You can go to details, and you see you're gonna see a lot of information. Look at the amount of information that you can see here, and relation, etc. And it's the same for an IP address or domain name. If you scan them, you can actually link to see what's going on in the back, and then go from there. Now it's very important for you to just use Virustotal. I use it every time I see something suspicious. Before I go to your website, I'm like let me see how safe it is before I go there. And then there's another website called urlscan.io. Actually, if you go there, what this can actually do, this can actually allows you to just see the website in a kind of sandbox. I can actually just do a private scan. Let me just go back, and then let's see option, private scan. Did you remember from the beginning we have like like a get rich now that XYZ? I can hit enter and just scan it. What it's gonna do, It's going to just scan the website to see if that website actually exists. I can actually see the content before I even go there. Let me see. Let me try that net and click on scan. If the website exists, you're gonna see the information right here. Almost like can take an example, like if you were to just go like for google.com, I can do a typo squatting. You see I put three O's in Google. I can just hit on scan, it scan, and then it's gonna just show you what is behind that website, or save that website is. All right. So if you have any questions or concerns, make sure that you put them in the comment. Cyber threat, cyber attack, they are not as you see on TV. Like with a couple comments, people gonna get access to your computer. It's not that easy. The easiest way for attackers is for them to just make you click on something so they can access your system. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay up to date with our weekly video. Until next time, stay secure.